And I started taking the pills because they gave me energy, but then I couldn't sleep at night, and I was getting so tired in the daytime, and it totally messed me up. I love my kids so much. I'm so sorry they have me as a mother.
Lynette, you are a great mother.
No, I'm not. I can't do it. I'm so tired of feeling like a failure. It's so humiliating.
No, it's not. You know, so you got addicted to your kid's ADD medication. It happens. You got 4 kids. That's a lot of stress, honey. You just need some help.
That's what's so humiliating. Other moms don't need help. Other moms make it look so easy. All I do is complain.
That's just not true. When Julie was a baby, I was out of my mind almost every day. I used to get so upset when Andrew and Danielle were little. I used their nap times to cry.
Why didn't you ever tell me this?
Oh, baby. Nobody likes to admit that they can't handle the pressure. I think it's just like we think, you know, it's easier to keep it all in.
Oh, we shouldn't. We should tell each other this stuff.
It helps, huh?
Yeah. It really does.